welcome to another edition of NOFOMO's completely biased campsite review. Today we're back in West Virginia. We're along Canaan Loop Road near Davis, West Virginia. This is near the Monongahela National Forest, so there's a couple of wildernesses in the area, and this is the Canaan wilderness that we're staying at. We stayed here for 4 nights, and the Canaan Loop Road actually is an 18-mile loop road that is in some areas only passable to serious 4x4s. We would like to go there, but we mountain biked it 2 days ago, and it is very narrow. There's a lot of low-hanging branches, so we would need to do a lot of wood cutting. But if you have a Jeep or a short wheelbase G-Wagon or anything there, that will be a phenomenal one. Or just like we did it, explore it in mountain bike. It's muddy, there's rocks, it's really fun. So there's a ton of trails in the area to explore. The famous Allegheny Trail, which is I think 180 miles long total, goes right by our campsite. There's a map over there. But the road itself, the first part of it to Table Rock, which is another overlook, at the end of the passable part of the road, is passable for any kind of passenger vehicles. We saw Sprinters here, regular cars, Priuses, and pickup trucks and so forth. So you shouldn't have any issues coming here. The campsites are free. That's our most favorite part. And there's kind of pullouts. This one is one of the best ones that we found, but then there's pullouts with just improvised fire rings here and there scattered throughout the road. Maybe a total of 15-ish that you can find here. We hear it's very popular in the summer, but now after Labor Day, even on the weekend, it's pretty relaxed. So we did hiking here, we did mountain biking here, and now we're packing up to go to find our next spot for the night. But in general, low thrills, but in the middle of nature. There weren't many sounds of civilizations that we could hear. Everything spaced out really well. So for us, highly recommend. We might be back here. The people here in West Virginia on the trails, even if you come with a mountain bike, the hikers, everyone's super friendly, super relaxed. So far we've really had a good experience. So that was it for today. Hope you enjoyed my little campsite review. Give us a thumbs up if you like, subscribe if you haven't, and follow us on our travels throughout the US and eventually around the world.